nĩagathĩrĩirie mathomo ma ũthundũri cukuru-inĩ wa university akiuga mathomo maya nĩ marahe arutwo mĩeke ya mawĩra ikĩro-inĩ itiganĩte thĩinĩ wa thĩ. Akĩaria arĩ thĩinĩ wa university yũĩkaine ta Lusophone bũrũri-inĩ wa Guinea Bissau, President Ruto nĩorĩtie andũ ethĩ kwĩharĩria nĩguo gwethera kĩhonia mathĩna marĩa maracokia gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika na thutha.
Through appropriate linkages and collaborations, Africa's universities of technology like this one must facilitate this and become trainers of innovators and the incubators of globally competitive innovations and innovators. This is how we will leapfrog our way beyond our present challenges, innovate our way from under the onerous burden of underdevelopment, and become the continent envisioned in Agenda 2063. The capacity for technological research and development for innovation can enhance our capacity to attract investment and enable us to solve development.